Hello and welcome to Tricker's World. And today we have come up with the best facial kits in India. Getting your facial done is expensive to you? Then what are you waiting for? You can get your facial done at home with the best facial kits which are available in India. We all have issues while going to the parlour as we all are very busy with office and other works. But when you have your salon at home, then why waste your time and money on a parlour? Now, let's see the best facial kits which are available in India. On the first, we have the Mom's Covita Rich Face Care Kit. Say goodbye to your face mysteries with the Mom's Covita Rich Face Care Kit. It keeps your skin hydrated while reducing pigmentation, dark circles, and early signs of aging. The price for the facial kit is Rs 2199. On second, we have Lakme Absolute Perfect Radiance Facial Kit. Here is the facial kit brand in India, which is the Lakme Absolute Perfect Radiance Skin Lightening Facial Kit. It is curated by the Lakme experts to give you a salon-like glow in your skin at your home. The price for the Lakme Absolute Perfect Facial Kit is Rs 350. On number 3, we have Jovi's Fairness and Glow Facial Kit. If you are looking for the best brand of facial kit in India, then buy this facial kit as it is perfect for any skin type. This facial kit helps you in removing the tan, acne scars, and much more. The price for the facial kit is Rs 795. On number 4, we have Forest Essentials Facial Essentials. If you're looking for some natural way to take care of your skin and lips, then you can go with this facial kit. This has honey and steam distilled rose water and a fresh lemon cleanser and more to keep your look beautiful. Price is Rs 1625. On number 5, we have Himalaya Herbals Pure Skin Neem Facial Kit. It is one of the top facial kit brands in India which is enriched with the goodness of neem. So, if you have sensitive skin, then you can go with this facial kit as it has everything you need for a sensitive skin facial. The price for this facial kit is Rs 649. On number 6, we have Vedic Line Alpha Whitening Facial Kit. The Vedic Line brands keep you away from the bad skin, and its facial kit, which is known as the Vedic Line Alpha Whitening Skin Care, helps in brightening your skin and reduce dark spots and also pigmentation. The price for this facial kit is 1126. And now let us know some benefits of facial. First, it increases blood circulation in face, then makes your skin firm, tightens up your facial skin, helps to brighten up your skin, nourishes your skin, pampers your skin. The facial refreshes your skin and get rid of all the dead skin you have on your face. The facial also helps in removing the tan. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to Tricker's World.